guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so freaking excited because not only do I have my IPSY bag, oops, spoiler, I have my IPSY bag, but I also have a little teensy announcement, and that is that I am now an IPSY Studios member. So basically what that means for you guys is that I will likely be getting my bags a lot earlier in the month, which is amazing. Here in Alabama, I am the last person to get anything. So they will be sending me a creator box every month. So I'll have my regular bag and my plus to unbox with you earlier in the month, which I'm so excited about. And I will still be subscribing to the IPSY Ultimate so that you guys can see that option as well. But I am just so grateful and thrilled to be part of the community. IPSY is something that I've always loved. Every bag is exciting to me. Not every product in the world is going to fit every person's needs, but there is definitely something for everyone. So that's our little announcement. More to come with that. I'm just super excited. So that's that. Secondly, I do want to say, please bear with me if today's video does not look or sound the best. I was just super excited to start filming, but there's construction going on outside my house. They're literally leveling out the ground, laying down sod, but I think it's coming to an end. So I think I'm gonna be okay. And also I do have a brand new ring light that's going to be coming today, but sometimes UPS doesn't get here until late at night. So I figured let's just try out some natural light and sit down and film together. So first I'm going to show you what I got in my regular IPSY bag. I will do the other one separately so that I can do a little try on and keep the videos somewhat on the shorter side. And I love the way that this bag looks. So this one's black and it's like this gold design. You can feel the texture of it as well. And you have little like makeup signs, but it's got an eye. It's super cool looking. And on the back it says "Your Magic," which I just think this is really, really cute. It's like October, spooky, a little Halloween without being like an orange pumpkin bag, you know? I feel like you could definitely use this anytime. So I am going to quickly try things on like we've done last month. I think I like the way that I've done that, where I've kept it really short. Meanwhile, I've been talking for 4 minutes straight, but you know what I mean. The try on portion is going to be really short. So we do have one hair item, and that is why I'm sitting here looking a mess with wet hair, because we have the Briochio Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So this is what the bottle looks like. I have had this before and I really like it. I was honestly about to like repurchase more of it, but I have a few other products that I'm using. I really like this one though. Very happy to get it, and it's a great travel size. This is 0.75 ounces, but perfect to put in your carry-on if you're taking a trip. I mean, I know a lot of us aren't taking trips, but man, I am looking forward to taking trips again. You know, I am dying to go back to New York, but really anywhere at this point. I just want to go somewhere because I'm definitely more of like a homebody person, but even homebodies who spend too much time at home are like, oh my god, I need to go somewhere. So that's definitely me right now. So I'm really happy with this one. So what I'm going to do is go do my hair, and I'm probably going to do a couple things off camera, and then we'll come back and get into our other products. All right, hair is feeling so good, looking super shiny, and I love that leave-in conditioner. So the next product is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. So this of course is a little guy, but primer goes such a long way that I'm thinking it'll still last a while. And for oil control, I only use this in my T-zone. Personally, I have mostly drier areas everywhere else, so I'm just going to use it where I need it. And I do get a little shiny in my T-zone, especially around my nose. I'm just gonna press it into my nose area and chin, and I do get a little oily right here, but I don't have a big problem of it. However, it has decided in Alabama to, again, stop being fall. It was literally, it felt like fall for days, and now it's like 80 degrees again. I'm like, please, please. So that is the primer. I don't know if you'll be able to tell any difference, but it feels different. It feels very like velvety smooth in that area, whereas already my moisturizer was making my skin look a little bit shiny in that area. So we have 3 other products, and they all will kind of be at the end of my makeup. So since this theme is all about magic, we will just go. All right, so I'm so sorry that this definitely looks quite different than what we were filming with a moment ago. Tomorrow's video will look so much better, but we're gonna make it work. So we got this really, really cute little quad. This is from Illuminati. This is the Enlightened Quad palette. The colors are like beautiful warm fall, but really pretty and super easy. So I think this is going to be a nice quick easy eye look kind of palette. I'm going to use at least 3 of the shades, but let's see what I can do with this. Alright, so here is the look, and wow, it's coming off a lot more like orange in your face than I expected, but I still think it's really pretty. I'm just like, whoa, that's a lot warmer than I thought. But it is definitely perfect for this time of year. So all I did was take this lighter shade everywhere, all up in the crease, and then also did that on the lower lash line. I took the darker matte shade in the outer third and then a little bit underneath as well. And then this shade right here, of course, is on my lid. So that's what we're looking like. I think it's really pretty. All right, we do have the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. So I actually really like this formula. I had one, I used it, loved it, and it dried out. I probably used it a little bit too long, but I really do like the formula. So we'll put this guy on too. All right, so that is the mascara. I didn't curl my lashes, and my lashes have a tendency to want to just like droop, and this actually did really nicely. Got a little bit of curl in there, which is a lot for me, trust me. So I love this. I'm glad to have a small one, and I actually like mascaras in small sizes. Let me know if you guys do too. I feel like they're the perfect amount. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. We've got one more item. So this is the Firma 103 brush. It's like a little angled blush brush. This is really cute, and this has a really nice feel to it. I also love that it's just plain black. It's gonna fit in nicely with my other brushes. I have a little bit of like weirdness about grouping random looking brushes together, and I have my most used brushes usually have all black handles, so this will go really nicely. So I'm gonna go for this Milani Coral Cove powder blush. I'm just gonna test out this brush and see how we do. This is one of those blushes that just goes with a lot of different things, and it's corally pink, so it gives a little bit of that orangey vibe, but not so much that it's like too much for me, because I am not an overly loud blush person. It's been a transition. I do wear more now than I used to, but I always just had this thought in my head that like a lot of blush would look very like out of date, like 80s, you know, crazy blush, even into the 90s too. But I love this one, and I feel like this is a very flattering color too. So it's a little bit pinker than my eyes, of course, but I feel like it pulls everything together really nicely, and this applied really well. I like the angle of it, and I like the size of it too. It's like it's not too small, but it's not too big. It's perfect for that right area. I'm really picky about blush brushes. I only have 1 or 2 that I really like because they have to be the right size and shape, and this is perfect. It's like a little bit more densely packed, but it's got some, you know, some size to it, and it's not so big that you like overdo it and, you know, you put your blush everywhere. So that was everything in my IPSY bag. I feel like I got a really good one. I'm definitely excited that I got the Briochio Rosarco Milk, the leave-in conditioner. It's really nice. I've used a whole big bottle of it before, so I love it. I've also, of course, used our Smoky Eye Mascara, so really excited. And you guys know, if you watch my unboxings, I'm not excited about mascaras. Like 95% of the time I'm like, it's a mascara, I don't want it, because I have way too many mascaras, and it's not something I usually get excited for, but because I already love this one, it's really exciting, and I feel like the eye palette did really well. This would be great to travel with if you're really into fall, like warm tones. And let's swatch this other guy real quick too, just so you guys can see the color. It's more of like a burnt orange. Really pretty though. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much. I'm so sorry that if there was noise and the lighting was different and it looks different. Tomorrow I'm gonna have my lighting set up better with my ring light and then my panel lights and all of that. So I'm really excited, and I'm like, fingers crossed it's gonna look a little bit better. You guys let me know the comparison, like if it looks better or worse, what you like. If you like the earlier part of this video, do you like the latter part of this video? I'm always really interested to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. And that is it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.